The flamingo flower, scientifically known as Anthurium andraeanum, is a tropical flowering plant native to South America. It is also commonly referred to as the painter's palette or tailflower. While it may not have a direct resemblance to a flamingo, it is named so due to its vibrant and flamboyant appearance. Here are some key features of the flamingo flower. Flower structure. The flamingo flower produces large, waxy, heart-shaped bracts that come in various colors, including shades of red, pink, white, and even green. The bracts are often mistaken for petals but are actually modified leaves. The true flowers, called spadix, are small and located on the upright stalk in the center of the bract. Vibrant colors. The bracts of the flamingo flower are known for their bright and eye-catching colors, resembling the flamboyant plumage of tropical birds like flamingos. Long-lasting blooms. The flowers of the flamingo flower have a relatively long lifespan compared to many other cut flowers. With proper care, they can last several weeks or even months. Indoor plant. Anthurium andraeanum is a popular choice for indoor gardening due to its exotic appearance. It requires warm and humid conditions, making it suitable for tropical or subtropical regions. Symbolism. The flamingo flower is often associated with love, passion, and fiery emotions. It is sometimes used in floral arrangements for romantic occasions or to express deep affection. Please note that while the flamingo flower may not have a literal resemblance to a flamingo bird, its name is derived from the vibrant and showy characteristics it shares with these magnificent creatures.